Have you ever come across a recipe that requires self-raising flour and all you have is all-purpose? I'm going to show you how to make self-raising flour at home so you don't have to keep it in stock. Keeping multiple types of flour in your pantry can be a bit annoying. And the thing with self-raising flour is because it has baking powder in it, those ingredients tend to lose potency over time. So you never know if your flour is going to give you the proper rise. That's why making it yourself is the best option.
Here's a great way to test your baking powder. If I haven't used mine in a while, I always make sure to check it because the dates on the box aren't always accurate and you want to make sure it's an active ingredient. If the active ingredient in your baking powder is dead, there's no point in making self-raising flour at all. Add a little pinch of baking powder to a small bowl. You only need about a quarter teaspoon to test it. Pour a little bit of water on top of your baking powder, just until it's mostly covered. Now watch for that fizz. Those bubbles mean your baking powder is still in code and good to use. If it's not fizzing, chuck it out and get yourself a new box. To make your self-raising flour, you'll want to add 1 cup 120 grams of plain or all-purpose flour to a bowl. Then add in 6 grams, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon, 1.5 grams of fine salt. Whisk that together really well and you're ready to start baking.
YouTube thinks you're gonna love this video, so be sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe because I come out with a new video every week. See you next time.